Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo. You are not alone yana uhlelo ke noma ke ingosi esingena kuyo kulolu suku lwanamhlanje. Kushintshile ke ukudla eplateini njengamanje nginomama uMrs Jabulile Maseko. Mama Maseko sawubona.
Sawubona Mfanelo. Sanibona ni team.
Yes. Asikunike nethuba ubingelele nomuntu obukayo nje manje ekhaya.
Sanibonani babukele emakhaya ophambi kwenu uJabulile Maseko, the founder and the CEO of You Are Not Alone Women and Family Center, social worker by profession.
Nenzani uyini umsebenzi wenu?
We offering counseling to GBV survivors. Siyaba supporta nase court, siyatholakala police station aseduzane Inokhem Park Police Station, Sebenza Police Station, Edenville Police Station. Kanti siyatholakala ke nalaThembisa. Sisebenzeka again Department of Education whenever kunama issues ezikolweni uyana uyatholakala.
Mhlambe masikhuluma ke ngeGBV ngiyazi ukuthi namhlanje sobheka iprotection yabantwana sinokubabona abantwana all around nayo yonke le nto le. Abantwana baprotecteke kangakanani nanokuthi ngabe sabazali siyalibamba yini iqhaza enough lokuthi abantwana bekwazi ukuthi begcineke beprotectekile. Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi iqhaza leni elikhulu noma umsebenzi wenu omkhulu it's more of GBV. Ningenelela kanjani izinkingeni zabantu especially njengamanje it's a month end abantu bayaxabana kufuneka imali kufuneka lokho kufuneka lokho omunye umuntu agcine engakwazanga ukuthi aphumelele ekuthenini afeze ifiso.
Siyangenelela ke Mfanelo because ukunakekela kwabantwana into ebalulekile kakhulu ukuthi umake sure ukuthi umntana wakho usafe nawuvuka ekseni ngomzali umgeze and now umgeza because nowadays abazali balimele Mfanelo balimele kakhulu so ukulimala kwabo inkinga zabo bayezithatha bazikhiphele ebantwaneni. Umntwana nawe umvusa ekseni umvuse ngothando umvuse ngehug umkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda and ungathi vuka wena abanye abantwana bavusa bathelwe ngamanzi because umzali akalalanga kahle nakavuka sovukela kulo mntwana. So ngicela ukuthi bazali ningathathi inkinga zenu niyithathe ninikeze abantwana sikhona singama social worker. Inkinga zenu zithathe uzinikeze thina while wena unikeza umntwana uthando because now uvuka ekseni umntwana kunzima ukuvuka emntwaneni and then manje yiwinter then uthola wena mzali ongase right umvusa nzima. Nakathi esikolweni kukhona nalabo abamuabusayo esikolweni kukhona bo bullying esikolweni nabo bo teacher bangabazali nabo banezabo bangabantu ngithi nabafika le bathola uthisha nayo okwatile. So abantwana sebaba confused manje sebaba kule le second layer abantu abalimele then bona sebalimala kakhulu into abazoyenza iba bhlungu because bona nabo bazothatha bakhiphele komunye umuntu oseceleni kwabo. Abanye abantwana baya affecteka because of the environment abantwana baphuma kiyo.
Mhlambe masingase sibheke siyazi ukuthi ke besaqhubeka sizoyivala njengamanje sesizongena ke kwi-youth sibone ukuthi inkinga zayo ngoma GBV zihamba kanjani. Masiyivala lento ethi protection of abantwana sithini uthini umlayezo are we winning the fight are they protected enough yini abantwana kuhamba kanjani ngengabona la endabeni kunengane eyalimala ngokudubuleka ziningi nje igameko zokulimala ke kweingane kuhamba kanjani?
As much as we understand ukuthi abantwana they learn ama-behavior wabo from us abazali but kunabazali Mfanelo angifuna ukubanikeza i-credit kunabazali abenza kahle kunabo baba abenza kahle kunabo baba abazi ukuthi umntwana akusiwa kamama kuphela umntwana wethu soyi2 if sinikeza umntwana umthetho simnikeza sisoyi2 if we are checking ama-homework omunye ubambe leni homework omunye ubambe le or omunye nakabambe homework ubaba uyapheka or umama nakabambe ukupheka ubaba wenza ama-homework. So umntwana ophuma ku that environment you can see ngama result wakhe esikolweni. Sinabantwana abafeyila ezikolweni umama umthola ukuthi nayo iyangezelela lapho uthi uyislima buka umntwana kabani uyaphasa wena uslima kanti akhohle ukuthi sometimes whatever oyikhiphayo la mlonyeni wakho it's either you build or you destroy. So I'm requesting all the parents ukuthi let us have a communication with abantwana bethu, let us sit with abantwana bethu and ask ukuthi siniphethe kanjani as abazali. And we understand ukuthi yes we educating abantwana bethu then abantwana bethu bayahamba baya ngaphandle kune peer pressure i-peer pressure utholakala ukuthi uyagcwala la etradini utholakala ezindaweni la ungafanelanga ukuthi ube khona then utholakala ukuthi umntwana soyalimala ngendlela ezinjalo kanti abantwana kulesikhathi manje kufanele babe sesikolweni banake incwadi zabo kuyabhalwa o babe sezindlini bafunde then if abantwana bazotholakala bagcwele all over we understand ukuthi singabazali we are doing our best but abantwana benze the opposite so ngithi as umzali owenza kahle don't blame yourself ngomntwana wakho ongabehave ngendlela right now ngumzali owenza kabi do introspection ukuthi how are you building or destroying owakho umntwana ungakhali nasumbona lapha esigangeni sekabhema inyawo is because of wena as a parent.
Sikushintsha kanjani ukuthi ke sikunaka ukuthi lezi zinto bezenza ukuthi izingane zingazizwa iphephile sikwenza kanjani ukuthi ingane nazo zizizwe ziphephile
ukuthi ukufunda mfanelo kubalulekile we are learning from abanye bantu eyana we have the project esithi positive parenting project triple P sibiza triple P positive parenting project where abomama or the parents can enroll bafunde how to treat umntwana wakho like ukukhulisa umntwana wakho umkhulisa kanjani umntwana wakho wena wentombazana wena womfana ngoba kunalento ukuthi sithi umntwana wentombazana kwamele abe sekitchen agezana nezitsha then if angakwenzanga lokho uyashayiwa then umntwana womfana kwamele agcwale istrati nakabuya endlini it's okay ukuthi abukele iTV or adlale ama game what about lo mntwana wentombazana maybe ufuna ukufunda akasakhona because yena sowuphenduke waba umama walandlini sekose enze yonke into ongakhona ukuyenza as a parent alande umntana wakho ecrash ozizalele yena aphinde futhi amgade leyo mntwana loyo wena ke bese siba nalama parents lawa ukuthi naku Friday kwazi bona ukuthi today is Friday ziyaduma mfanele babambeki leso sikhathi bashaya isincane isicephe bayahamba baphumela lengaphandle bashiya abantwana babo kunabantwana abashela ezindlini that's child neglect kufanele baboshwe angazi amaphoyisa engisebenza nawo balalele na labo mama abahlukumeza abantwana ngokuthi babashiye ezindlini bese abantwana basale bayalimala because bona abekho and uthola ukuthi umntwana bayamrape khona lapha endlini because wena awukho umakhelwane uyabuka ukuthi la ngathola something la nalaba bathatha abantwana batshontsha abantwana abamani bamthatha umntwana mfanele baya observe aqala ukuthi kuqhubekane la kulomuzi lo they observe bayahamba ba check ukuthi la bantwana bahlala babodwa then that's when sibona ukuthi umntwana bamthathile bamkidnapile it's because of neglect parent iparent ngibona uphosta abantwana abaningi la stradini abalahlekile ulahle kanjani umntwana nomzali abantwana during the day kufanele babe ecrash akhona ama crash achibhile la akhona bakhona bo child welfare and eikolweni akubhadala so mzali if unomntana wakho onga attend isikole that means you are negligent wena as a parent awufundiswa kahle please teacher umntana wakho kahle ukuthi aye naye esikolweni akwazi ukufunda abe ngumntana alright and ilimu lethu we need to mind ukuthi sikhuluma kanjani nabantwana bethu ngoba ilimu lethu it can build and also it can destroy ungathi ngoba wena ukhuliswa bakubiza isilima ucabanga ukuthi nalabantwana banamhlanje you can say bayilima laba banamhlanje they know a lot mfanele technology wise they google abodokotela nje as much as sindlula ku enyangeni yabomama nabomama they need to get therapy so that bazokwazi kuba right psychological because if your mental health is not okay that's why siba nama problems amaningi then yonke into you are bleeding upleadela kubantu abarong
yeah siyabonga kakhulu ke ukuthi ke abantu ke bahlezi nathi I'm listening also ukhumbuleke futhi ke si live also nakulona ipage layo ke you are not alone iyana mhlambe ke amazwi akho okugcina in terms of access to technology lezi zinto ezithiwa ama PG parental guidance it looks like abanye abazali abayinaki abanandaba abantwana ba exposed to content engafanele ngabe ba exposed kuyona ungathini nje usuvala ngoba ezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi abantwana bangabi safe uthola ukuthi ingane inomkhulu nje exoxa naye oyifundisa izinto ayathanda ukuyifundisa zona
bazali it is unfortunate mfanele because we were born before technology labantwana bethu sebazi kakhulu ngetechnology ngisho ukuthi limit iaccess yelokho nje ye-Wi-Fi check ukuthi umntana wakho naka busy uba busy ngani yiba nalento ukuthi niyahlala nomntana wakho like angabi sekamereni kakhulu ku technology because awuyazi wena maybe le PG you cannot even get into that part ye phone ukuthi uchange. Then what you can do ukuthi uhlale nomntana wakho enze ma homework ngoba iphone yona ilungile ukuthi enze ma homework but safety no danger bayo bukhulu kakhulu because babatshontsha because bona they give information yabo ukuthi mina ngihlala endaweni eso ngihlala nomama umama ulala ngesikhathi esiso yonke le information out isigebengu leso siyazi ngendlu yakho ukuthi kwenzakalani uyazi ukuthi usemsebenzini nini usetshwaleni nini akwazi ukuza athatha umntana ko so bazali yes i cellphone it's okay ukuthi bantwana bethu babe ne cellphone kodwa masikwazi ukuthi si check senze le PG now ungana information ukuthi yenziwa kanjani you can ask ama neighbors you can ask abaziyo.
Okunye mhlambe ngakushare la there's a family link which is on Google you can just family link search for that uyakwazi futhi ukusetha ingane ikwazi ukuthi everything eyenzayo ukwazi ukuyibona nanokuthi ihlala isikhathi esingakanani wena WhatsApp ukwazi futhi ukuthi uselect nanokuthi if uba online age restriction for the content consumed ihamba kanjani. It's very simple and makunento ungayi-understand you're also able kuyo le family link ukuthi utrack i-movement yomntwana as long as ifone isesandleni sakhe on check i-battery on uyakwazi ukumfonela charge ifone and also ukwazi ukulimit isikhathi i-screen time. You can also lock ifone anytime you can locate it anytime and check i-content ongayifuni and make sure ukuthi you block it and freeze the phone. Enye into mhlambe ngathi ngiyayisho ama contact wenu for iyana when we need these services zama GBV.
Okay, telephone number yet is 063 063 you can also send the WhatsApp lapo and book your appointment. Enye landline is 010 065 1733 010 065 siyatholakala ke 24/7
yes
ema police station.
Oh Nkosi yami siyabonga kakhulu. You had an event uThabo ukwazile ukusikhavela wena abantu bayibonile. How was the event?
Wow, mfanelo.
It was a wow.
It was a wow. It was a wow. It was a healing session. You know, ngenzele event for abafazi ukuthi they must just have fun. But go end up we cried together. We cried as abafazi. We learned from one another. Kuningi okwenzekile lapha. Kuningi mfanelo bekumunandi besigqoke kahle for ourselves, not for someone else. Not ukuthi sibuke ngomunye umuntu, for our mental health. Besigqoke kahle sibahle kakhulu so bekumnandi. So if we losile iMother's Day high tea, it is a therapy session la sihila khona together as abanye abafazi and we learn from abanye abafazi ukuthi inkinga zikhona but akusho ukuthi nawo neinkinga hlala ekhoneni ufe alone, don't die alone, communicate, speak to omunye umuntu ozokwazi ukulalela umfazi ozokwazi ukulalela ngoba mfanelo siyagowa sonke ne siyagowa ngibonile ukuthi
umgowo
yeah ngibonile ukuthi sonke siyagowa singabafazi and lapha kule space besikiso sikwazile ukuthi sikhale kungabi na someone ozokujaja yo sikhalile mfanelo nami bengikhala ngenza ngiyibuza ukuthi kanti ngikhalelani.
Mama Maseko, thank you so much.
Thank you so much Thembisa Online. Thank you so much Fanelo. Singakhohlwa ke labantu abahle abasibukele lapha. You are so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Naze nabahle. Igama lami ngumfanele uPhenyi Bheshwa kwaDzanibe ngihamba naye uFloyd Mathebula asisipo Fikland ubanele uBrazo Sondlo umshini bewuchofoza uyena ke uphethe ke inkinobho lapha. Siyabonga kakhulu ukulalela ke. Child protection is important, is vital. Make sure ukuthi ingane ngaso sonke isikhathi zi protected, zi right and azikho exposed to any danger. Siyabonga kakhulu nisale kahle.